The Shahed 129 is an Iranian single-engine medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed by Shahed Aviation Industries for the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. The Shahed 129 is capable of combat and reconnaissance missions and has an endurance of 24 hours. It is similar in size, shape and role to the American MQ-1 Predator and is widely considered as one of the most capable drones in Iranian service. The UAV has been used for airstrikes in the Syrian civil war and for border patrol on Iran's eastern border. Together with the Shahed, the Shahed 129 is expected to form the backbone of Iran's high-end UAV fleet for at least the next decade. Development began in 2005 when Iran Aircraft Manufacturing Industrial Company began design work on the HISA 100 UAV. This was essentially the same design as the Shahed 129 but was shorter and with a squarish fuselage. Design responsibility was transferred to Shahed Aviation Industries Research Center, which renamed the HISA 100 the Shahed 123. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.